Good morning, people. It's another beautiful day in the Philippines, and look what I found. The little babies. Aren't they cute?
Check out this cute little guy. Hi. Hi. He's so pretty. I think the thing I miss most about house sitting is the dogs. Well, it's definitely the thing I miss most about house sitting. But this one is so cute. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. Okay, we're just about to go kayaking. Kayaking is one of my favourite activities, so I'm really excited. Okay, we just went sea kayaking. It was really good, but we're so hungry now. We got to the point where Tamba is hungry. Like,
I know, I'm hungry. It's never happened.
Anyone who knows us knows that Laura gets hangry very easily. Tamba doesn't, but he is hungry. So we're having pizza and chips. All right, he's happy now.
Alright, people, this was our favorite day so far in the Philippines. This was day 33. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and a comment below, and we shall see you tomorrow, where we hopefully see an even better beach. Ooh.